The primary muscle work during the standing supported single-arm dumbbell row are the lats, with secondary involvement of the rhomboids, trapezius, and biceps. Planting both feet on the floor versus placing one knee on the bench provides a more stable base of support, thus allowing for better balance and alignment of the spine and pelvis, thus possibly reducing risk of a hernia. However, placing one knee on the bench does reduce the risk of lower back strain when this movement is performed incorrectly. Choose the variation that is better suited for your body. To get started, while standing behind a flat bench, bend over to place one hand on the bench for support, then grip the dumbbell with an overhand, palms facing in grip in the opposite hand. Before lifting the dumbbell, engage your core to ensure your back is flat and parallel to the ground. With the dumbbell hanging straight down towards the floor, with your arm fully extended, perform the row by pulling the dumbbell upwards towards your hip, leading with your elbow and keeping it close to your body. Keep your core muscles engaged to stabilize your spine and prevent any swaying or twisting of your body. To engage the back muscles, focus on squeezing your shoulder blade towards your spine as you lift the dumbbell towards your hip while keeping your elbow close to your body. Pause briefly at the top of the movement to feel the muscle contraction. Under control, slowly lower the dumbbell back down towards the starting position with your arm extended, just short of full lockout to keep the tension on the muscles. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.